The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dance Yeah, go this up. All right. You see it, my brother. You see it. I'm ready where you going, sir? Random. You call me name, man. Ready, record.
Viewers and subscribers, and are real still, I am not sure if I will ever touch any crocodilians, You see me I say? I'm not sure. You see it? Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I just presented to you a video that shows when a musician who goes by the name of Styler G touched a crocodilian somewhere within the continent of Africa. You see me? Now, I saw more than one pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows when Styler G and other persons went to a place where crocodilians are being grown or taken care of somewhere within the continent of Africa. You see what I'm saying to you? I do not know when the videos have been recorded, viewers and subscribers. You see what I'm saying to you? And the reason why I said crocodilians is because I do not know what type of crocodilians are shown in the videos that are circulating on social media. But if you, my viewers and subscribers, can identify what type of crocodilians are shown in the video that I just presented to you, you can let me know, alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to more videos, yes, I say, and you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show what happened when a fire was lit at a party. Some places on social media, it is said that patrons light fire at a party. You see? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to where this video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. You see me? This video shows some things that I think are dangerous, and this video also shows something that I think might be dangerous. You see me? But I'm going to present the video to you first, and then I'll explain to you why I said that. You understand? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. I record this. Viewers and subscribers, the reason why I said that the video shows something that I think might be dangerous is because the video shows something that is known as a gas cylinder. You see me? And when I saw the gas cylinder in the video, I said to myself, what if that gas cylinder is full? What if the fire had somehow affected that gas cylinder? Eh? Right? And, when I look at the video, I saw that persons were close by to that gas cylinder and viewers and subscribers. You see what I said to you? Look, I have nothing against any one party, because me, myself, I party too. You see what I said to you? But, to each and everyone out there, if you're going to party responsibly. You see me? Yes, you should drink responsibly, but you should also party responsibly. You see me? This video shows some things that I think are dangerous and might be dangerous as well. You see me? I say, anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Buju Banton talking about some of the laws within the country of Jamaica and other things as well. You see me? And according to some things that Buju Banton said in these pieces of videos, I got the understanding that he's upset about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica. Now, the reason why I am presenting these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because these pieces of videos are being talked about on social media. And I'm also presenting these pieces of videos to you so that you can take a look at these pieces of videos. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in these pieces of videos, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning, Jamaica, and good morning to the world. All the while I'm telling you, say, today for me, tomorrow for you, and I laugh. So everyone, let me see, I post out there and I go and say, when I ridicule and I figure Jamaica when I talk out phone and I talk out for all who they can't talk to themselves because enough fun lock up behind closed door, and because I'm so rich and someone have so much nice friends. When I know how to feel inside, but I can't say it because I don't want to offend anybody. We don't have to offend anybody, we can't tell it to you like it is. Bridges after disaster, Risk Management Act, 10,000 and 30 days in prison. The government of Jamaica only going to 10,000 one time. And himself on a breach of disaster management act, him are going to fine for $10,000 or 30 days in prison. That is oppression and tyranny. Resisting arrest, 2,010 days in prison. Oppression and tyranny. I don't think the law enforcement of Jamaica, Jamaican people friend. On our citizen, on our own brother, on our own uncle, on our own father, and take this job to protect and serve Jamaica, but not protect and serve politicians and political interests. Right? When since we cannot speak out against the way we feel without risk of you pressuring we. Now, the Jamaican Constitution does not allow the government of Jamaica to use the office of the Prime Minister or any other office to oppress and pressure any citizen. Any citizen at all. You Jamaicans better wake up before them come kick off on the door 1-1 and do like what you see them do all over the place. Let me continue. So what can I hear? Indecent language. 1,010 days in prison. And them come again and say additional fine of 10,010 days in prison. For a sergeant police officer. But me notice a trend. Me notice everybody who come out in a Jamaica and vent the way them feel. Either the Jamaican populace come down upon them like we're supposed to be sheep. We're supposed to, so if the Prime Minister, everybody so must go near, we're supposed to go up there and line up and eat it. Hold on, people. Hold on. Put on your thinking caps. And all the way are fooling. Not because you go you when you go to some place make you smarter than we know. No guy can't tell you how to live. I'm not coming to no bag of like when you say all the way are fool. Remember, are we voting in? We're supposed to run the country for we. Don't go like you don't want to switch it on we. Can't bring switch it on Jamaican people, you know. And have the people them thinking that they work for politicians. No! Politicians work for the country as fiduciaries of this great corporation to ensure that they do the job of the office that they are elected to do. Do not use the office of the Prime Minister or the office of whichever politician it is to pressure the citizens. You are creating tyranny. You are tyrannical. And you are thief too. Because enough money I get them along the Jamaican people now. You think the 10,000 can feed Jamaican people and lock up the whole island. Everybody lock down on the house and nobody don't want to talk because they don't want a friend. Me don't want no friend, I mean, no want no from you. I want to free the people. And make the people them live and stop this tyranny want to deal with. On pushing Jamaica people to the brink. And nobody don't want to tell them because they're afraid of you. Why? Because I don't have the death squad them around here. We not fear for death, they've been killing us, on the murder we, on the torture we, and on the robbery. So what more we can do to it? Now not lock with them and try to make it extinct. It's crazy. Free the people them and use some common sense and stop being so damn reactive. Everybody just reactive. Why? I want to tell you about shot and none of them take no shot. I want to try fool boy here. Here we go on. We want to say, uno take what uno try give my people them for take. Because when the people of Jamaica start dead, you can't tell you nothing, you know. You can't tell me nothing when Jamaican people start dead. Think about that.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Pieces of videos that shows Buju Banton talking about laws within the country of Jamaica and other things as well. You see me? You can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that Buju Banton said in these pieces of videos. And you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the videos that I presented to you. Alright? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla.